As a former catcher, is that something you did at times?
Yeah, I didn't miss. I waited till they got the dugout, but you know, I saw Jan do it so many times in Cleveland.
Long run for Harper. Robles around second, heading for third. And he is tagged out.
Robles doesn't wait around. He hits this first fastball that leaks back towards the middle of the plate. He's running hard out of the box, and it looks like I'm going to pull up for a double. No, I see the throw, and then he took off to third. Bryce Harper wasn't a perfect throw, but it got there in time. And Harper fields it off the wall and just lets it go. Doesn't have to worry about a trail runner advancing, and you can do that. You can throw it as high as you want. Just get it to third base. Franco applies the tag in the mouth.